Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jess, for those of you who haven't been here before, and I do unboxings on watches and accessories. I also do makeup tutorials, hair tutorials, anything to do with beauty, fashion, lifestyle and aesthetics. So I would love to have you part of my next video. So if you would like to click subscribe and you enjoyed this video, I would love to have you for my next video. So when it arrives at your doorstep, this is what the packaging looks like. And speaking of arriving at your doorstep, I live in South Africa and the delivery was really quick. I think it took about 4 or 5 days to arrive in South Africa. So I will list the different delivery duration dates for each country because it does depend on, you know, where you live in the world. But when it arrived very securely in bubble wrap and a box and everything, but I threw that out and this is what the packaging looks like. I really like the minimalistic, simple take to this packaging with the Jacy logo on the top, and there's no better way than to associate a brand like this with real diamonds. I mean, I'm just so speechless at how gorgeous this watch is. So let me stop rambling at how gorgeous it is and actually show you. So when you open it up, it looks like this, and the front part of the packaging flaps open like this. So the case of the watch feels like leather to the touch and comes in this red pattern design. It's so beautiful with the A logo on the top in gold, and I feel like this reminds me of something from Cartier, something that is very luxurious and high-end. And I always feel that whatever you buy, whether it's a watch or an accessory piece, whatever your piece comes in, aka the case or the box, it embodies the actual product. So this is what the case looks like, and when you open it up, your watch sits on a velvet interior, which is just so gorgeous. It's light beige or cream in color, and it just protects the watch in every aspect. When you open it up or when you lift the little watch up, your warranty card sits on the bottom, which is good for 2 years against any misuse of the strap, the actual watch, the diamonds, all of that. And I mean, I don't see that in any other watch brand. The watch I have is called the Ace in rose gold with a tan full grain strap. The watch is 35mm rose gold and has 76 diamonds, which comes to 0.32 carats. The dial of the watch is natural mother of pearl and just has such a beautiful reflection with sapphire crystals. Straps is all full leather with Swiss quartz movement on the dial, and as I mentioned, has a 2-year international warranty and is just absolutely beautiful. I mean, look at how shiny those diamonds are. It's just absolutely stunning. And what I really love about this watch is the fact that you can pop off the straps so easily and so conveniently. I mean, look how quick I pop these straps off, and I can just pop a brand new strap on. The separate straps on jacywatches.com sells for $65. I will have all of the links and all of the pricing down below and on the screen as I go through the watch. But the other strap that I got is this beautiful kind of like a black brown leather, and it's called the cocoa embossed pearlized brown rose gold strap. It's just so beautiful. The straps are handcrafted Italian leather with the rose gold Jacy buckle to match my rose gold watch. The leather has a hypoallergenic NUBUCK lining, which is perfect because I have sensitive skin. And then the actual little clips are called Presto pins for a quick change without any tool. I find that it's so inconvenient to, you know, travel with your watches and then you quickly want to switch it out with your outfit, and then you need a tool to change your watch with. I mean, this was just such a clever idea. And then the width of my strap is 16mm, in case you were wondering. It comes in both silver and rose gold. My favorite is of course the rose gold, and a diamond watch like this could easily go for $2,000, and I wanted to share it with you guys because where else can you find a real diamond watch for under $1,000 and have a 2-year warranty against any misuse? And if you guys decide that you want to purchase a watch like this, you can save even more money by using my direct link down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing in collaboration with Jacy Watches. If you are not subscribed yet and don't want to miss out on any videos like this, please subscribe, and then I hope to see you next time. Bye!